equator is a wonderful thing. Alright, so we're out doing a little catfish fishing. It's Aaron, Sixgill fishing. And we've got 2 of our surf rods. I've got another 2 in the car that I'm about to set up. So what I'm fishing with today is fishing with 6-ounce bank sinkers. This is a pyramid style, and then a piece of fresh cut shad that we just caught this morning. So we're gonna throw them out and see what happens. This is our rod, one of our surf rods. It's called the Cape. It is a 12-foot medium heavy power, and that is a Mana 4 5500. And we're gonna throw an 80-pound braid on. It's tied to a main line, then it has 70-pound mono leaders. So they're pretty nice. You can throw them pretty far. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out in the water and see if we can catch fish.
Give it the old 1-2.
The old 1-2 skipper.
Now you got a different weight on this one.
Yeah, this is a 6-ounce. This is just what's called a bank sinker. So it's just designed a little bit differently. The pyramid sinkers have a tendency to go in and get stuck, but these will just lay flat on the bottom. So it's a 6-ounce. It's a Banshee 4K.
Yeah. So we'll see how she handles up to the big daddy, the cat daddies.
I am tying up a rig to throw on this other rod. Now this rig I'm going to throw a little bit differently. I'm going to do a slide sinker. On this rig it's still a 6-ounce slide sinker. Same braid. And then I'll take that. I'm going to tie a leader to it. So pretty much I have it set up like a slip weight, almost like a Carolina rig. Almost. So this will free float on the line. And then I'll tie a 50-pound leader to here with the hook on it with the snell knot. It just works a little bit better with circle hooks. It has a good action to them. So I'm gonna take this circle hook. So this is a 10-aught circle hook. And I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take some pliers. When catfish fishing, what I like to do is take these and offset them. So just bend it out. Just like that. So that way when the fish grabs the bait, it has more hook tip exposure than just getting the shank. It works a little better. Has a little better hook set. And then I'll show you how I do a snell knot. It's also known as like a knotless knot. I'm gonna take my main line, I'm gonna go through the hook and then lay this down the back of the hook. So the line sits like that. And then I take this, I'm gonna wrap it. Probably about 6 to 8 wraps. And this is, again, this is 50-pound leader. Then I take the free end and go right back through the hook and then pull it tight. And pretty much what you get when you're done with that is a nice solid knot. It's not going to go anywhere or anything of that nature. It won't slip, it won't move, and you can just clip your tag in and be good to go. Now, back in my day, I used to be able to throw a rod and reel over a mountain. Now I'm lucky to throw it 10 feet. Be careful when you're wading in the water.
You gotta watch out for sharks.
You know, sharks, they've become a problem in freshwater lakes here. Bull sharks.
Nice. Right over there. And we drove all the way around Rockledge Park, Grapevine.
That's how we do it.
Here we go. She's a beauty. Excuse me, is this bait organic?
This is vegan friendly. These are some big gizzard shad. And they're big. So a tip if you catfish fish with bait, if you take the back of your knife, just get all the scales off of them. Kind of releases the oil a little bit better, I feel.
To catch a cat, you gotta think like a cat.
That's right, meow, baby. And then you can just chunk them up. That's one piece of bait. There's two. There's three.
And then the tail's for later. We can eat that later.
Yeah, that's for us. I give you permission to laugh.
We have lived. This is catfishing.
This is catfishing at its finest.
Hey, a fish is a fish.
We got a fish, finally.
Yeah. Easy now.
We hit it within about 15 minutes of the last in the water.
Yeah, that's good.
You can see he's nice and bright. That means he's good and healthy. His belly is clean, which means they're not on the bottom. Probably just kind of suspended. But it's a good fish.
Pretty good looking catfish, man.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's a healthy fish. We'll get him back in the water and hopefully we can get another one. Thanks again for joining us. We do really appreciate it. If you guys would throw a thumbs up there for us, subscribe, rate our videos. Let us know if you have any questions or comments or want to see any other videos that we might be able to shoot for you. We really appreciate your time and we'll see you next time.